As a lot of companies are getting ready for their end of year sales, getting their websites together, making sure everything is optimized. There's a lot of things to keep in mind, but there's three main points that I wanted to share that I think could be really helpful. They're simple points, but I think they could be helpful. So the first point is keeping your website mobile friendly. All that means is how it looks on the desktop, make sure that it looks usable and easy to use on a phone as well. Many people are shopping on their phones these days, whether they're at work, they're shopping, when they're commuting from work and going back, they're shopping, watching TV, they're shopping in the store, they're shopping on their phone. So people are always using their phone for things. And so making sure that your phone is optimized so that way it's not difficult to find things on the phone you can easily find on the desktop version. Those are all things that you want to keep in mind. So if we look at, for instance, Target's website here, you see how everything on the website, it's easy to, go through things and look at all these sections here. But if you come and you look on the mobile version, you just come and put it like this, and you notice that, for instance, let's go to the iPhone SE or even the iPhone 14 Pro Max. You see how this is exactly how it looks like on the phone. All these sliders work just the same way as it would on the desktop. And so it makes it easy to use. And so the whole goal here is to make sure that your website is optimized, not just the home page as well. Let's say we click on this, it takes us to a product page. Is your product page optimized? Is it easy to add these products to the cart? Can I easily look at your different product images here? All the different selectors with regards to shipping, with regards to delivery. Is it easy to choose all these options here? Is it easy to see details about the product? Are the details, explained and clearly in a clear format so that it's easy to find this information? So all these things are things that you want to do a double check, just a quick check to make sure that how it looks on your desktop looks the same on the mobile version as well, to make sure that everything is optimized and to make sure that everything is usable for your Shopify or your e-commerce website. The next thing is promoting discounts. If we come back to Target's page, let me X this out like this. Come back to the home page here. You notice here how it says 20% off here, 20% off here, promoting another discount here. So you see how constantly throughout the home page and the website, they're promoting discounts. And so you want to make sure that you do the same thing, especially as we're getting to Black Friday, Cyber Monday, New Year sales, all these different sales. You want to make sure that you're promoting these discounts, because if you have a discount, if you have something that you're offering to customers and they can't see it, then there's no way that they're going to know about it. So especially like what Target is doing here, promote it on the homepage. Add different banners just explaining the discount and some of the products or some of the collections that you're offering to customers. It's a great and easy way to do it. And the homepage is a great place because it's the first place that a lot of customers are going to come to. So just making sure that you're clearly explaining some of these deals. You'll notice something else Target is doing. They've actually added a whole section on their navigation menu here, just dedicated to deals. So that might be something you might want to consider just for these next months, adding something like this to your navigation menu just to help promote the deals. Maybe you could say Black Friday deals, New Year's deals, maybe just leave it as deals, just to consider something to consider. But the whole goal here is just to make sure that the promotions and the deals that you're offering are clear to customers and it's visible to customers what it is that you're offering, and an easy way for them to actually access and purchase that product. So second point, promoting discounts. And then your last page, kind of something that we've already discussed here. The last thing is just to make sure that the home page is optimized. Our whole goal here is to make sure that people go from this page to another page, ideally a product page or some type of collections page. You notice here, you click on this and it takes you to a collections page here. Once this loads here, a search results page, you come down here, something like this takes you to a product page. So those are the main two places that we want to take customers, either to some type of collection page for them to see more products or to a product page like this. And so the best way to optimize users or customers to go to that next step is to make it as easy as possible for them to get there. And so we notice at the homepage, all these various links link to one of those two sections. So again, making sure that that's added on your homepage as well, so that it's easy for customers to actually get to where you want them to get to, and it's easy for customers to actually access those products. Something else you'll notice that Target is doing is they're not only highlighting individual products like this, but they're highlighting actually collections as well. So that way customers have a way to scroll through the various collections and see anything of interest to them. So that might be something you might want to consider highlighting featured collections or maybe collections tailored just to Black Friday sales, but also highlighting featured products as well. So those are just some things that I thought could be helpful as you get your websites ready for this sales season with everything coming about. I hope this video was helpful and gave you some ideas. If you're looking for help implementing any of this or you have any questions, please feel free to send me an email, david@zkido.info. My website is down below if you want to just take a look through, see some of the things that we've done, see what other people have said. And then if you're looking for any type of helpful digital product, feel free to check out our digital products below. But once again, please feel free to reach out if you have any other questions, and I hope this video was helpful.